you search for the characteristics of a good logo online, you will find a bunch of information. Hundreds of different designers from all over the world will tell you different things, and somehow they're all true. But what is really important? There is no secret formula for what makes a good logo, because a logo is always individual and can never be generalized. But there are a few rules, and if you respect them, you're guaranteed to get a good result. So here they are. Rule number 1. Keep it simple. Do not overcomplicate your logo. It needs to be simple and easy to understand for everyone. When people look at your logo, they need to instantly know what product or service you're offering. So it's all about finding the right balance between uniqueness and simplicity. This logo right here perfectly illustrates my point. You can instantly recognize the shape of a dog here. And then you start to see the comp. Your brain quickly combines that information and it becomes obvious that it's a logo for a grooming salon. And you need to try to exactly achieve that effect. I hope you understand what I'm trying to communicate here. It needs to be an experience for the customer to look at your logo. To further illustrate my point, I will now show you two very famous logos. I want you to carefully look at them for 5 seconds each. After that, I will tell you what they are subconsciously communicating with your brain. So let's start. The first logo that I showed you was Amazon. They decided to go for a text style logo. But why? Well, because they want to embed the name Amazon into your brain. Now you might think, well, but what's the special thing about that name? And you're totally right, it's just a normal word, but it's heavily associated with the company's mission. The Amazon River is the world's largest river. That stands for a broad selection of content and products. In addition to that, they did another very smart thing. And that is that they visually underlined their second priority, fast shipping. They wonderfully illustrated this by drawing a speedy looking arrow from A to Z. And that is exactly why when you hear the name Amazon, you instantly think about the company and that logo. The company Red Bull did a very similar thing. The color red is very strong and eye-catching. Then you start to see two muscular bulls that are about to clash together. And the message is clear. This energy drink will basically give you superpowers. Now take those multi-billion-dollar companies as an example and try to implement some of that into your own logo.